Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. When you work with DaVinci Resolve and you try to render your project, often you might face an error which says render job failed. This is one of the annoying errors of DaVinci Resolve, and today we'll fix this. So let's dive in. First, click on the DaVinci Resolve on the top left corner of the screen and select Preference. Inside the Preference window, switch from the System tab to the User tab and then click on the UI setting. Inside the Workspace option, you will find one option which says Stop renders when a frame or clip cannot be processed. By default, this is checked. You just need to uncheck the box and you are done. Once you have done that, click Save and try to restart DaVinci Resolve. Now if you try to render your project, it should now render smoothly without any interruption. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for staying with me and good night.